UK about turn as Jamaicans under deportation threat has been handed a lifeline.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
65 years ago, a ship called the Empire Windrush arrived at Tilbury carrying nearly 500 people from Jamaica to start a whole new life. It was the first large group of West Indian immigrants to arrive after the Second World War.
With the threat of deportation hanging over their heads, thousands of undocumented Jamaicans and other Caribbean nationals who migrated to the United Kingdom when they were children between the late 1940s and the early 1970s are to receive urgent help from the British government to confirm their status as citizens in the UK.
Empire Windrush arrived into Tilbury Port in Essex back in 1948, carrying the first wave of immigrants from the Commonwealth. And in 1971, they were legally entitled to remain in the UK, but the Home Office did not keep records.
The British government has come under increased pressure and a barrage of criticism from Labour MPs in the UK regarding the administration's failure to address pressing concerns impacting the Windrush generation.
Regulations were tightened in 2014 under the then Home Secretary Theresa May, and without proof of legal status, this restricted access to healthcare, housing and jobs.
British Home Secretary Amber Rudd apologised for the appalling treatment meted out to the Windrush generation by the government.
I share the Honourable Gentleman's admiration for the people who came here from the Caribbean and contributed so much to our society in many, many different ways, and that admiration remains in place. And we have seen the individual stories, and they have been, some of them, terrible.
David Lamey, UK Labour Party MP and Windrush descendant, said it was a day of national shame.
Can she tell the House how many have been detained as prisoners in their own country? Can she tell the House how many have been denied health under the National Health Service? How many have denied pensions? How many have lost their job? This is a day of national shame.
Representatives of 12 Caribbean countries, including Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness, held talks with the UK government at the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting in the UK.
Andrew Holness today met his counterpart Theresa May to discuss the welfare of those affected. He reacted to the controversy in a speech to the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting in London.
Prime Minister, we welcome your response, and we look forward to a speedy implementation of your proposed solution.
During bilateral talks with Holness at Downing Street in London, May said she deeply valued the contribution made by the Windrush generation and all Commonwealth citizens who have made a life in the United Kingdom.
Then came another, more intimate discussion at number 10 with other Commonwealth leaders. And inside, hoping to make amends, Theresa May apologised.
I want to dispel any impression that my government is in some sense clamping down on Commonwealth citizens, particularly those in the Caribbean who built a life here. I take this issue very seriously. The Home Secretary apologised to the House of Commons yesterday for any anxiety caused, and I want to apologise to you today.
According to me, Jamaica is a key Commonwealth partner, with over 800,000 members of the diaspora residing in the UK and over 200,000 Britons visiting Jamaica each year.
Jamaica's Prime Minister says he's poised to work with the British government.
It is a concerning matter, but we take note that the government has given a commitment, and we stand ready as Caribbean leaders to ensure that the commitment is kept.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.